In this video, you'll learn how to set Notion to open on your homepage. This process will enable you to access your preferred workspace more quickly each time you launch the application. Start by navigating to the Notion website. In your web browser, type in "notion.so" and press enter. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can log in or create an account if you haven't done so yet. After arriving at the homepage, locate and click on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This section is typically represented by your profile picture or initials. Once selected, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to access various settings. Next, look for the option labeled Settings within the drop-down menu and click on it. This action will direct you to the settings page where you can adjust your preferences for the application. On the settings page, find and click on Account from the list of options on the left sidebar. This section contains account-specific settings that you may want to modify. Once you are in the Account section, proceed to click on Preferences. This will lead you to a new screen where you can customize your Notion experience further. Now, navigate to the Desktop App option within the Preferences menu. Clicking here will open additional settings related to how Notion operates on your desktop. After that, look for the setting labeled Open on Start. Click on this option to configure what you want Notion to display when you first open the application. Next, select the option that says Choose what to show when Notion starts or when you switch workspaces. This will allow you to specify your preferences for the initial view. In this menu, click on Last Visited Page. This setting ensures that when you open Notion, it directs you to the last page you were working on, streamlining your workflow. Finally, to set your home page, click on Home. This will set your home page to the main dashboard of Notion. Once done, be sure to click Close to exit the settings menu. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.